Ever wish you had an AI buddy who could code, debug, and even chat with you about your code? Welcome to AI Expert Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest and most groundbreaking AI technologies. Today, we'll explore what Blackbox.AI is and dive into its powerful features that are changing the way we build software. Blackbox AI is a state-of-the-art coding large language model built to supercharge software development, to make engineers 10 times faster at building and releasing products, and to scale the number of software engineers globally from 100 million to 1 billion. Now let's break down how Blackbox.AI works and why it's gaining so much attention. Blackbox AI introduces CyberCoder, a tool that allows developers to edit multiple files simultaneously, making it easier to manage large projects and speed up your workflow. Whether you're working on a small app or a massive codebase, CyberCoder simplifies complex tasks, helping you stay productive and focused. Upload an image, and the AI will analyze it, interpreting the design and transforming it into a fully functional app. Whether it's a logo, mock-up, or design concept, Blackbox.AI brings your ideas to life with minimal effort. Blackbox AI also offers an app builder feature that makes creating apps as easy as typing a prompt. Want to build a note-taking app, a Netflix clone, or even a Spotify-like website? Just tell Blackbox.AI what you want to create, and it'll generate the code for you. You can choose from multiple tech stacks like HTML plus CSS, HTML plus Tailwind, or SVG for a custom design, making app development faster and more accessible than ever. AI Edit on large code files. Feature helps you edit, debug, and refactor code seamlessly. You can upload massive files, interact with them, and get real-time feedback from the AI, helping you navigate complex projects without the usual hassle. Blackbox AI takes collaboration to the next level with its ability to chat with GitHub repositories. Simply upload your code, ask questions, and get insights into your repository instantly. This makes it easier to collaborate, troubleshoot, and improve your code in real time. So what is Blackbox.AI? It's not just an AI assistant. It's a powerful tool that transforms the way you code, create apps, and manage projects. From editing large code files to building fully functional apps from images, Blackbox.AI is designed to make your work faster, smarter, and more efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge AI tools. Thanks for watching AI Expert Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.